Go.
Hey guys, this is Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of the different variations that we use on a curl exercise in class. This is called the kettlebell curl, and the kettlebell curl might not be exactly what you think it is when you first do this exercise with your client. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you. I'm going to demonstrate it for you using just one kettlebell. You don't need two for this one. When you do a kettlebell curl, doing this exercise is going to involve you holding not the handle of the exercise, but the actual middle of your belt, okay? So I'm going to hold it in both hands, and I'm going to squeeze that kettlebell as tight as I can while wrapping my fingers. So I'm going to push that kettlebell together with both hands. That's going to activate and engage my biceps. Now in this exercise, I like holding it handle down so that I can get a good contraction at the very top. You can either go handle down or handle up, whatever feels best for you, okay? Now as I'm squeezing that kettlebell, I'm going to come all the way down, get a good stretch in my biceps, and then come straight back up, right like this. Typically when we do this exercise, we're going to do it for higher repetitions, so you're going to want to make sure that your clients focus on good strict form and on isolating the bicep. If you have somebody that's struggling with the exercise, they can't quite understand it, instead of continuing to coach them on it, my recommendation to you is to substitute with something simpler, like a regular dumbbell bicep curl instead. That's if they're really struggling with understanding this exercise. Anyway, give those coaching cues a try the next time we do kettlebell curls in class.